10-year-old Indian girl creates a record. Sara Chippa, a 10-year-old girl from Bilwar district in Rajasthan, created a world record on the 2nd of May by memorizing all the 195 countries, their capitals and their currencies across the world. Sara started memory technique classes during the lockdown, which helped her create the world record. Meet Jatin Chaunkar, India's most influential entrepreneur and also an inspiration to the youth. Mumbai-based entrepreneur Jatin Chaunkar started his digital journey and founded the Indian Ladder and Ancient Media. Ancient Media is a 360 degrees digital marketing agency and the Indian Ladder is a dropshipping business model. Jatin commenced with his YouTube channel vlog and started capturing his special moments in from a vlog. And that is how exactly his journey started, from being an introverted child to India's most young entrepreneur in 2021. The Supreme Court wants the formula of oxygen supply before the third wave. The Supreme Court on Thursday highlighted the need of the Union government to start preparations for oxygen allocation to the states in India. Oxygen supply and distribution ahead of the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The court drew the attention of the government to reports that children may be affected in the next wave. The Science Ministry funds on effect as Gayatri Mantra treats COVID-19. The Department of Science and Technology has funded a clinical trial to all the Indian institutions of medical sciences in Rishikesh to determine if the chanting of Gayatri Mantra, a religious hymn, and performing the yoga practice of pranayam can aid the quality of recovery as well as cure COVID-19 quicker in substance of a patient. Isn't that interesting? Never thought a college would go ahead with such ideas. India welcomed US support for COVID-19 vaccinations. India welcomes the US administration's support for waiving patent protection for COVID-19 vaccines and expressed that the waiver can be quickly approved at the World Trade Organization through a general agreement. This can allow large-scale productions in the middle-income countries, but there are arguments against the move. Australia to resume flights to bring back citizens after a backlash. Australia will resume bringing back home flights for some citizens in India after a controversial ban on arrivals from the country ends on 15th May. However, the government will wait until next week to make a decision on whether to restart commercial flights from India, which is now stranded. Australians will be able to get back home. Two weeks after losing the mother, Indian cricketer loses sister due to COVID-19. India women's team cricketer Veda Krishnamurthy's sister died on Wednesday due to COVID-19. Informing this over Twitter, she tweeted, "It is with great sadness that last night my family had to say goodbye to my akka. My family, my world has been rocked to its core." She said in the tweet on Thursday, "Appreciate all the messages and prayers. My thoughts with everyone going through these devastating times. Hold your loved one tight and safe," she added. It was the second death in her family in the last 2 weeks, with the cricketer having lost a mother late last month. Dhoni says he'll leave the hotel last after all CSK players return home safely. Chennai Super Kings skipper MS Dhoni will wait for the rest of the squad to reach home safely before leaving the bio bubble and boarding the flight back home to his Ranchi. Dhoni has informed the management that he wants the foreign players to reach home safely and he will be the last person to leave the team hotel. Mahi Bhai said that he will be the last person to leave the hotel. He wants foreigners to leave first, then the Indian players. He will be taking the last flight tomorrow when everyone reaches their home safe and secure, said the CSK member. Manchester United reached their first final of the Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's era. Edison Cavani scored both United goals in the second leg of a 13-goal semi-final. The Uruguayan opened the scoring with a fabulous first half effort, then found the net with a fabulous header from Bruno Fernandes. Excellent floated in the pass in the second half. In between, Roma briefly threatened a comeback when the former Manchester City forward Edin Dzeko scored his 9th goal against United, before Brian Christiansen finished smartly with a shot on the turn. The Italians had a final word with Nicola Zalewski's low drive when he went through David De Gea's legs after taking a deflection of Alex Telles. The 8-5 aggregate victory ends a run of the 4 semi-final defeats for United under Solskjaer and sets an upcoming meet with Villarreal, who knocked out Arsenal in Gutsken on 26th May. Apple is giving a laser company that builds some of its augmented reality (AR) $410 million. Apple announced that it is awarding a Pennsylvania-based optical technology company 2 to 4 with $410 million from its Advanced Manufacturing Fund. Apple CEO Tim Cook said that the company's tech helps to power Apple's Face ID, emojis, and portrait mode. Tim Cook said that it is critically required for the company's future and to manufactures devices that helps computers see the world in 3D. Apple sets the stage for a new wave of breakthrough technologies that is believed will enable a wide range of applications that will benefit the world for decades to come. WhatsApp may start offering sticker suggestions for iOS and Android users. WhatsApp is working on a new feature that will suggest stickers based on the words you type. The new feature is said to be currently under development and it could be made on Apple and iOS. It is also to be initially limited to WhatsApp's native sticker collections. Companies including Apple and Google already offer contextual emojis and stickers suggestions to their users. To get the latest news updates on youth, youngsters, and kids, like, share, and subscribe to the World Youth Media channel, and to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.